The way we work is changing. Mobility, flexibility, multitasking, and working from anywhere are becoming fundamental aspects of our daily work life. That's why we created Blau, a brand focused on designing smart solutions for digital nomads. All our products are carefully designed to solve very specific needs of mobility and organization of today's workers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. With Blau products, you can organize and transport items of all kinds and measures attached to your devices. Whether you use a laptop, a notebook, or a desktop computer, there is a Blau for you. Working hand by hand with designers and manufacturers, we have achieved outstanding design solutions with an awesome quality and finishing. We are the Blau team, and we want to make your work life easier.
Now and then, we all like to enjoy a campfire. But it's not always that easy to bring a big and heavy fire pit. That's why we wanted to create a solution that is easy and convenient to take with you wherever you go. Meet Folding Fire, the lightweight and foldable fire pit. She's the perfect companion for those who love camping and spending time outdoors. She's portable, easy to use, and a must-have for all your adventures. To make Folding Fire even more enjoyable, we have designed a foldable grill that can be installed on top of the fire pit within seconds. Perfect for those who enjoy a barbecue as much as a campfire. Folding Fire is made of strong and high-quality materials. The foldable frame provides a sturdy base for the steel fiber blanket that carries the fire. We strongly believe that Folding Fire is a great product. She's made for you, your family, and all your friends. Because Folding Fire is so much more than just a fire pit.
Hello Kickstarter, we are Onion. As makers, we use development boards to build all sorts of cool stuff. But most development boards on the market fell short of our expectations. They're bulky, confusing to set up, and overcomplicated. We usually spend far more time reading the documentation than actually using them to build things. Today, we're changing that. Say hello to the Omega 2, the world's simplest development board. The Omega 2 is tiny. At less than a quarter of the size of your credit card, it can easily fit into any project. But don't be fooled by its size. The Omega 2 is powerful. It is a full Linux computer. That's right. This tiny purple thing runs the same operating system that powers some of the world's most mission-critical infrastructure. The Omega 2 works out of the box. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and onboard storage, so it comes to life the moment you power it on. The Omega 2 is familiar. You control it with apps just like your regular computer. We even have an app store so you can discover apps created by the community. The Omega 2 is easy to program. In fact, you don't even have to write any code. It supports Node-RED, a graphical tool that you can use to create programs by simple drag and drop. But if you are into writing code, the Omega 2 supports many programming languages. Pick one you're already familiar with and start building. The Omega 2 is cloud connected, so you can remote control it securely from anywhere in the world. The Omega 2 is expandable. We have created many plug-and-play expansions, so adding new features to your project will look something like this. The Omega 2 is affordable, starting at only $5. Yep, 5. It is cheaper than this Frappuccino. We want to lower the barrier to entry so everyone can join the maker movement. So you see, Kickstarter, the problem is that the tools for building amazing things are just not accessible for everyone. And that is why we're working so hard to make the Omega 2 really easy to use. But we need your help to make it affordable as well. So please back our campaign and tell all your friends. We can't wait to see what amazing things you'll come up with. Thank you.